needed to build an email list. If you're a business owner, then you know having a solid email list is essential to your success. It allows you to keep in touch with your customers, promote new products and services, and build relationships that can lead to sales. Landing page builders. One of the most important tools for building an email list is a landing page builder. Landing pages are dedicated pages designed to capture leads, and they are a great way to collect email addresses from potential customers. Landing pages focus on increasing your conversions through having a specific goal, such as getting people to sign up for your email list. Lead magnets. Another important tool for building your email list is a lead magnet. Lead magnets are incentives that you offer to potential customers to get them to sign up for your email list. Creating lead magnets is an important step in the process of increasing conversions, ensuring that you're able to build your email list with quality leads. Lead magnets can take different forms, but the most common is an ebook or other type of report. Other common lead magnets include webinars, video courses, and cheat sheets. Form builders. To add people to your email list, you'll need to create forms. Forms can be used on your website, in your blog posts, or even in social media posts. Overlay and pop-up builders. An overlay or pop-up builder is a tool that allows you to add pop-ups or overlays to your website. Pop-ups are windows that appear on top of the current page. Overlays are fixed elements that stay on the screen even when the user scrolls down. Email marketing software. To effectively build your email list, you will also need email marketing software. Email marketing software allows you to create and send emails to your subscribers easily. Such software is especially helpful if you want to automate some of the processes of building a list. There are a number of different email marketing software tools available. When choosing the tools you need, it's important to consider your budget and needs. Make sure to select tools that will make it easy for you to reach your target audience and achieve your goals. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.